Alright, I'm making my diffuser fins. See how this goes, guys. I basically just kind of mimicked it and cut it out. What I did right here is I made some curves, and I pretty much put some tape to support the curves. Tape to support the curves. That way it can stay still. As you can see, it's still staying still. So I put some real heavy duty 3M tape to support the curves. All right, guys, this is going to be my cardboard cutout of the diffuser. As you can see, it's kind of three-dimensional. Just kind of showing you guys my cutout. So my goal is to kind of add more depth and contour to it, and then fiberglass it. Pretty simple process once you do it before. So it took me about 2 hours to kind of carve and just cut out the diffuser the way that I wanted it. All right, keep you guys posted.